Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you how to cancel Trae AI subscription. So friends, log in your account, the first step, and then log for your profile, go to this billing and plan, or go to setting. So friends, this is for setting. If you have a premium plan, go to plan and billing. This is a pro. If you have this pro plan, as you can see here, in this case, if you have this pro plan, all you have to do, you will see all this subscription here billing, and then look for cancellation like this one. Click on subscription, as you can see here, click and subscribe, and then confirm your subscription. And this is how you can do, friends. This is easy, 2 steps. Go to billing and then go to your billing and plan, select your and subscription. This is easy steps you can do. I have just free plan. If you have a premium like this pro plan, you can cancel successfully and easy without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more